Welcome back. In this video, we see the specs and features of ASUS Vivobook Go 14-inch laptop. Model number of the laptop is E1404FA-NK522WS. This laptop is recommended for students, home users for moderate usage. Let us see the features. CPU is from AMD Ryzen 7000 series, 14-inch display with Full HD resolution, Nano Edge display panel, DTS audio for crystal clear surround sound, image optimization, 180-degree lay flat hinge, manual camera shutter, Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021 included at no extra cost. CPU is AMD Ryzen 7000 series family. Ryzen 5 7520U is the CPU model, has 4 cores and 8 threads. Base clock speed is 2.8 GHz. We can boost the clock speed to 4.3 GHz with AMD Max Boost. CPU has 4 MB L3 cache. Graphics is AMD integrated AMD Radeon graphic chipset. This is new gen Radeon 610M chipset which has dedicated 2 cores to process graphics. For this model, 8GB LPDDR5 5500 MHz is the memory. This is an onboard memory module, cannot be upgraded or replaced. Storage is 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD drive. There is only one slot. Interface type is M.2 2280. Display is 14-inch display screen. The bezel is Nano Edge bezel, very slim, which gives more screen space. Resolution supported is Full HD 1920 by 1080, 83% screen to body ratio, 60 Hz refresh rate and 250 nits brightness supported. Camera is 720p HD camera, manual shutter for privacy, built-in array digital microphone with ASUS AI noise cancellation. Audio is tuned with Sonic Master, built-in stereo speakers. These are down-firing speakers, built-in microphone, ASUS Audio Boost, Alexa AI voice assistance is built-in. Network is Realtek wireless LAN card which supports Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed data transfer and stable network connection, Bluetooth 5.3 version to connect your peripherals. Let us see the ports which are present. On the left, there is one USB Type A port for data transfer. On the right, there is one DC in port, one HDMI port, one USB Type A 5 Gbps speed port, one USB Type C 5 Gbps speed port. This port only supports data transfer. Do not use it for power delivery or to connect external monitor. One 3.5mm earphone, headphone and mic combo port. For input and keyboard, there is a precision touchpad, ASUS ArgoSense keyboard, Ticlet keyboard, number pad support on the touchpad, no backlit for keyboard available. Battery is 3-cell 42 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery. Charge the battery to 60% in 49 minutes with the help of ASUS Fast Charge technology. 45-watt AC power adapter with round pin what we get with this package, which gives an output of 19V DC to power the laptop. For security, we can configure BIOS password protection, trusted platform module, mic mute key is also available to turn on or off your mic, manual camera shutter for protecting your privacy, slide the shutter to turn on or off. Windows 11 Home 64-bit edition is bundled with this laptop. ASUS recommends Windows 11 Professional for Business. Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021 is also included with this laptop package. Let us see the applications which are installed by default. My ASUS app to update the system, SlideX to extend and mirror the laptop screen, ScreenX Expert manage application windows across multiple display screens. Body is polycarbonate. Weight of the laptop is 1.38 kilograms and 17.9 mm thin. Laptop is very thin and lightweight, easy to carry, very portable. This laptop is tested for US military standard 81H. Laptop is available in 3 colors: full silver, green grey color, mixed black color. Let us see the upgrade options available for this model. This laptop has 8GB LPDDR5 5500 MHz RAM module. This is an onboard soldered memory module. There are no option to upgrade and replace. Maximum is 8GB. For more memory, buy a laptop with 16GB memory module. Maximum storage supported is 1TB. Replace existing 512GB M.2 SSD drive with 1TB. Interface type is 2280. Warranty for the laptop is 1 year international warranty. What's in the box? ASUS Vivobook Go 14-inch laptop, 45 watt AC adapter and user guide.